chat. Welcome to the stream. How y'all doing today? A little bit late, but we're doing a stream nonetheless. How y'all doing today? It is Monday, the 25th of October of 2021, and we are back for another stream. Wait, Robot Anthony? What do you mean, Robot Anthony? What? What? Do I sound? Is the sound messed up? Oh no. God damn it. Shit. Let's figure out why that is. That's weird. The audio is set up properly. Alright, let me try some stuff. I mean, I can unplug and replug stuff, that might work, but I want to do this. Where's the like, test the input? Device properties, here we go. Hello, hello, hello. It's supposed to play it back to me. No! Alright, I'm just gonna unplug and replug. What could go wrong, right? And we have a bunch of different places we can unplug. Did that make it better? Is it better? Is it working? No? Okay. Alright.
Oh, that killed it entirely. What about now? Is that any better? That fixed it? That's so stupid. I hate technology. Computers suck. Wait, crackling stopped when the mic unplugged and came back. Wait, so it's not fixed? Holy shit. Audio's fine? Everything's fine? Okay. God, I've been having one of those days, so... It's like this close to being like, well, fuck this, I'm done for today. Anyway, Marsha's here. Hello, hello. Let me say hi to everyone. I don't understand. Technology doesn't make any sense. Okay, but anyway, let me say hi to everyone. JJMC was first today. Code with the Sun is here. How you doing? Nerum is also here. Good to see you. Beldathis. Hello, hello. It is auto update day. We will be taking a look at that. Indie Monkey. How you doing? Good to see you. Record Airflow says, hey, first time here. Well, welcome, welcome. Cypheratsu, welcome to the stream as well. We've also got Keller Marku. Record Airflow says adding data engineers here. Well, I build data infrastructure, but I wouldn't consider myself a data engineer. Marsha says, I saw this and I thought it was silly. I know Anthon will get it immediately, but I was like, derp. Echo cat pipe to said statement. I don't get it. Oh no. And then I was a robot and everyone was pointing that out. ABC123, hello, hello. Brendan Twitching says, mic issues, yes, Frizdon, we've hopefully fixed it. Joey's Bites, good to see you. Sound like the garbled transmissions in Star Wars. Oh no. Well, hopefully we fixed it, CD /. You've been hacked, no. Yeah, I don't understand because I didn't change anything and I just unplugged and replugged, so shit's haunted. That's my only guess. Shit's haunted. Therpum, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. HTML still being decoded, yeah. Yeah, Preox is here. How you doing? Hello, hello. And then Human Anthonk, we got back. Eagle PT is here. Hello, hello. Thank you all for helping me debug my. Oh, I do wanna hear what it sounded like because That's super fucked up. That makes no goddamn sense. It actually sounds kind of cool though, in like a fucked up cool kind of way. All right, AJ, hello, good to see you. First time here, yeah, yeah, I've never seen you before. Where have you been all this time, RKJ? Davey Music, hello, good to see you. It's the Windows experience. I can't imagine it's Windows' fault, but who fucking knows? Anyway, we're back for another stream. Usually we start by going over open source stuff since last time. And I actually did a bunch of stuff. So remember we did that system exit, all repos said, towards the end of stream? Well, I found a bunch of stuff that it missed. Basically, any extensionless file did not get the fix, so I had to rerun against everything. So I generated a bunch of pull requests for that. Brandon Twitching, thank you for the follow. Welcome. The Devil Kid's here. Hello. Brandon Twitching says, came for the stream, stayed for the robot. Ending with Allie. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. We're just getting started today. Let me give you a shout out. You will gonna be raided. That's true. Welcome. What were you working on today, Ending with Allie? Hopefully your stream went well, and welcome to everyone who is here now. My name is Anthony. I work on a lot of open source software in Python. Some of the things that I work on that you might have heard of are PyTest, Talks, Flake8, Precommit, deadsnakes, and a whole bunch more stuff. But thank you for the follow as well, Ending with Allie. Hopefully you're doing well. We were trying to get through a lot of the opening stuff of Try Hack Me. I see. I have done one of those once, I think, because Marsha encouraged me to try one. It was kind of fun. I was a bit out of my depth, but it was an interesting experience. I'm definitely not what you would consider a hacker, but I play one on TV, so. Celestial Blue is here. Hello, welcome. Put it off for a while, and I'm back now. Nice. Sounds great. We're just right now going over my open source changes since last stream, and then we're going to be taking a look at my statistics for auto update day, which is every Monday. My startup-y thing does a update of everyone's repository, and it's usually kind of a bit of a stress test of the system, and we usually take a look at the metrics for the runs for that day. But yeah, let's look at this first. So a bunch of generated PRs on Sunday. I think I did one other thing that was not generated. Nope. They were all generated. Okay, I haven't done anything else interesting since last stream. But basically a bunch of pull requests that look like this. And I had missed extensionless file names because we had just done startup.py. I don't know why I did startup.py, probably because I was streaming and, I don't necessarily think completely straightly. Yeah, there we go. Great example. I don't necessarily think very clearly while streaming. So anyway, I fixed that up offline. Okay, but let's take a look at our auto update for today. Go to CloudWatch and we check out our dashboard. Oh, now it shows up in the sidebar, of course. Wow. 7,700 repositories. That's 700 more than last week. So something major changed. The auto update graph actually looks fairly like oddly enough, we don't see the big spike that we usually see right here. It was kind of muted. Oh, actually, no, yeah, this is still. Yeah, this is only 7 back in the queue. This is actually a fairly good auto update day. But this probably tells me this spike is definitely me. I definitely did this, so that we can mostly ignore. But pretty quiet auto update day. Little spike towards the end and a little spike towards the beginning. One of these, I mean, I think both of these are me, because I think I'm still the heaviest user. Oh, this is a problem. We will take a look at this as well. But let's first look at the stats. I didn't need to open that like that. And by stats, I mean metrics. Celestia Blue says, I got a job offer today. Nice, nice. Now I need to learn about a 2 to 3 migration. Ah, well, I know way too much about that. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask them in the Discord. I can hopefully help you out there. Do you know HTML? You're definitely a hacker then. Perhaps. 12 hours. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. The worst one was 4 minutes back, which is not bad. Pretty good. Pretty quiet day for auto update. What was the blue one? Prepare. Yeah. And this is almost always the same duration. Oh, I guess not always, because sometimes it contains builds. But no requeues. That's good. I find it interesting that there's like always a background, like there's almost constantly runs being done now. So there's always a background success duration, which is kind of neat. That's kind of cool. Streaming knocks off like 50 IQ points. Yeah. How does the world handle negative IQ? Rip. What causes that massive spike? So it's usually a series of repositories that are significantly slower than everything else. Most of the time, just timing out. Yeah, mostly repositories that time out, and when they get updated, they just time out and they hold up a worker, and so everything else kind of backs up a little bit. It's not a huge deal because I can just spin up more workers, but it does show up in our graphs. And if I prescale, it'll go away. But my prescaling right now is not tuned properly. So like, if we look back at this dashboard, you can see that it scales up right here. This is prescaling, and I tell it can scale down here. And since there wasn't really any load at that point during the auto update, it didn't really do anything. We just booted a machine to throw them away. In theory, what I could do, like if I wanted to flatten this slightly more, I could keep this alive until this queue is 0. But there would need to be a little bit more complexity there. And it doesn't really make a huge difference. Like even at our minimum capacity, we're still handling things fairly quickly, which is great. That's how I want it to work. I assume it just collapsed at 0, yeah. Still 2 to 3, right? Oh no, Marsha, I thought we fixed this. Didn't we fix this? I thought we fixed this. Surely we fixed this, right? Did that DM me? No. Okay, we fixed this. There used to be a bug in my chatbot, and you could use it to send commands like this. So if you did bang still /w, this would whisper me Fifi Smug. But we fixed it at some point with a very a very simple fix, which is just stick a little white space character on the beginning of it, and then yeah, then it can't send / commands anymore. But yeah. Marsha got wrecked. Yeah. Sarcastic Dante, welcome back. Good to see you again with the tiny noodle. Welcome to the stream, Sarcastic Dante with tiny noodle. That just sounds that sounds a bit lewd. I don't mean to make any comments about your noodle, Sarcastic Dante. Yeah, still /w Pokimane, hello my love. Yeah, that definitely happened more times than intended. Time Traveler, welcome to the stream. Hello. Okay, well that gets us through auto update day. Oh no, it doesn't, because we have we have the dead letter. We probably have banned users, I'd guess. Oh wait. Oh, that means that one run is happening at the moment. Cool. And send and receive. I should really just make myself a dashboard that does all this, so I don't have to click around every time. Wait, we had a problem with this repo last week too, didn't we? Oh, did I just not clear this? I think I just didn't clear this. Did I just not clear this? I wish it told me sent 10:25. No, that's today. Oh. I thought we Oh wait, no, this was the one with the branch protection, wasn't it? Wait, what? Branches. Where's the like list of branches? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, okay. So that one's the branch protection one, which we still can't really do much about, so I can ignore that one. It's kind of annoying that branch protection can prevent Breakpoint from creating its own branch. I guess it could delete and recreate the branch, but like, ugh. Priox says, Anthony, it's Monday, far too early in the week for this level of decompress. Listen, I have a real stressful week ahead of me. Well, I guess mostly it's just my Wednesday that's stressful. Blue Patron, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's a great name. I appreciate that. Yeah, because on Wednesday I'm giving my GitHub Universe talk, which yeah, I'm a little stressed about to be honest. Nolden. Why does this person's name look like it's spelled wrong? Do they exist? They do. And do they have this repository? It does exist. It doesn't have a pre-commit config. Are they configured with pre-commit is the other question. /github/ It is configured. Holy shit, they must have just clicked enable all. I wonder if they get relimited? That's a lot. I think they have made mistake. So let's figure out why that fails. So the first one was branch and not much again. Mars Mo says, hey Celestial, got a new job. I have to search for a new one. My current job is not rewarding anymore. Yeah, rewarding jobs. What a concept. Kid, of course. Okay, auto updater. Should just be this. 422 unprocessable entity while getting an installation access token. What? That should be fine. I wish we knew what. I hate that GitHub just throws all their errors into 422. Like they're very not great. You already asked us to touch your package. Oh no. Did I do that? Is this my video? It is. This is a long. This is a long time ago for you to have that link that quickly. Holy shit. Touch my package. I guess, yeah, I did do that. What was this? What was I even working on? There's a lot of weird packages installed here. This is 1804 also. This is an old ass video. How did you find this? Apparently I was running VS Code also. This must just be all of the system installed packages. I think we were playing around with syntax highlighting, maybe? Heh, didn't get all that much done this stream. Did fix an edge case on Windows and answered a ton of questions. Started hacking through a puzzle, but then got stuck and gave up. Is this AOC? No. What puzzle would it have been? That's because it's the only video I commented on Twitter. Ah, got it. Yeah, and look at it getting claimed from copyright-free music. What was I doing? Anyway. Keep 3 touch? Yeah, 422 or 404, that's what GitHub gives you for everything. Yeah, it's really annoying. I wonder if I re-queue it, if it'll error in the same way. You could try that. I think it's in web. Konix is here. Hello, Konik. Good to see you again. Maybe they forked carpet and added support for replay streams. Maybe. Except, nah, Sarcastic Donnie just had the tweeters. Isn't that like every stream? Yeah, that's kind of fair. Oh, the bank today is wrong. Konik, how are you doing? Set today. Recommit CI auto update today, and then working on some miscellaneous open source Python. Fixed. Okay. Scripts. Don't re-queue. How does this thing work? Andrew, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's do re-queue the auto update queue. And we'll see what happens. Koenig Guy says every time you say Koenig, it makes me look up from my stream or screen. Yeah, that makes sense. Full Morpher says, what's up with the keyboard? Lusty Blue has helpfully done Bang Keyboard, so you can take a look at the link there. Are those logs? Grouped and organized and stuff, and explains about logging best practice. So honestly, I have set up very little logging here. This is mostly just the built-in logging from AWS. So I didn't really do anything special to make this work. It's just kind of the default. Yeah, this should be the new one. Expect that. It is still a 422. Huh. Very weird. I guess we could just run it, right? And debug it. Oh, but how's that gonna work? I think it'll work. pdb.postmortem, and then raise, and then to do this one. Stick it on one line. Well, it's not going to fit on one screen, is it? Fine, we can use the Anthony window manager. Copy this. So this should get us our exception. No repositories were provided. What? That's gotta be a bug on GitHub's side, right? Andrew says, I want to get rid of my mouse, but I need this mouse for surfing the web. I use a mouse. I'm a fan of mice. I like mice. Mice are great. Sarcastic Dante says, is .flagate the .flagate file a 4.0 thing? Nope, that's been around for forever. Since before I started using it and maintaining it. Andrew says, I want to use VI only. Postmortem is pretty great. So postmortem drops you into a debugger when an exception is raised. So I can see exactly what the error is here. Time and DPT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 79 character line limits. Is it because it's a work? What? Test show VI or Riot? I'm not good enough at Vim to do that. God, I'm only 30 minutes into the stream and I already have to use the restroom. So I'm going to take a quick break. I will be right back. Sorry about this, chat. And I will see you in a sec. All right, I'm back. Hello, hello. Okay, so I do want to figure out what's wrong here. Did you make... Why did you name a clip masturbate? Oh no. What did I actually say? What did I actually say? What did I actually say? What? What? Strike it up. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Oh, I think I already said hi to you. Master 8? I don't know, Jenny Pie. I don't know. What did... What was I actually talking about? I guess the world will never know. Some things are great. Oh. Oh, mice are great. Mice are great. I guess it... Yeah, I mean, out of context, it sure as hell sounds like that. That's funny. Strike It Up says, I referred people towards your YouTube today on something I didn't want to explain. Thanks for saving me an hour. Yeah, no problem. I'm glad my YouTube content was able to help you out there. That's kind of why I made it, is so I don't have to keep explaining these things over and over and over. Meth. Okay, I gotta be careful not to print these things here. So we gotta go up still. Can I print data without... Means repository ID and permissions. Yeah, we can print data. What the fuck? Yeah, we're definitely passing a repository ID. So I don't know what's up with that. This looks like a bug in GitHub. Question is, do I ignore it and hope that it fixes itself? Why do they have a fork of Adam? Is another question. What are they doing here? Oh, 2 commits behind. I thought it said 2 commits ahead. A lot of branches there. Where's the, like, age of branches? I don't know. I have no idea. Now this window's gonna be the wrong size. Oh well. Just found out Chrome Vimium. Oh, is there a Chrome bindings for Vim bindings for Chrome? CD Backslash says, gonna go meet up with some friends. See y'all later. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's always good to see you. I guess my next question is whether Flake8 RC used to be a thing. So there used to be a thing in the home directory. You could put ~flake8 or ~config flake8. But both of those were removed in 4.0. Because it made it really hard to debug stuff. Ethan, thank you for the resub with Prime at 27 months. Holy shit. Welcome back, friend. Are you stuck behind your VPN? Is that why? Oh no, there you go. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Okay, so unrelated to programming, unrelated to stream. We gotta talk about Brussels sprouts. I don't know what happened as a kid, but I have like distinct memories that someone convinced me that Brussels sprouts were fucking terrible as a kid. And I can't imagine that this was just me. Like I expect lots of other people were also told that Brussels sprouts were terrible. And so I just never ate them. Never ate them as a kid, never ate them as like a young adult. And I thought they were terrible, right? Recently I had, well, I guess not for the first time. Recently I had Brussels sprouts. Like a couple years ago I had Brussels sprouts for like the first time and I was like, what the fuck? These are awesome. These are so good. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. They look like this. Well, those are the fried ones. You can get them not fried. The not fried ones are also delicious. Here's not fried ones. They basically look like this. But like, was there some sort of conspiracy, like, by Big Vegetable or something to convince people that Brussels sprouts are not good? Because they are amazing. I just had just plain Brussels sprouts, just steamed. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Oh, they were so good. They were so good. That was a fucking tangent. Yeah, no, I'm not shit talking Brussels sprouts. Save them in detail. They're so good. They genetically engineered them to taste better. It's because people usually boil the shit out of them? Interesting. Wait. Has this been a recent improvement? Are you telling me that they used to suck and now they're good? Where's the TLDR? The 90s. Wait, seriously? This is actually something that has changed recently. So they did used to suck. They did used to suck? Is that true? That's crazy. Or is it just they learned to fry them? Like, what actually happened here? Brussels sprouts have a similar name, blah, blah, blah. Oh, they removed the bitterness. That would make sense, because if they were bitter, they would suck. Okay, it all makes sense. So it's just old data that said that they sucked and were bitter. And now that they're no longer bitter, they're good. Man, but Brussels sprouts, they're so good. I love them so much. Big Broccoli has a vendetta against Brussels sprouts to push people to buy more broccoli. Yeah. But yeah, Brussels sprouts are great. Kids Next Door did a whole episode about them being toxic. Interesting. My dad would make them with bacon and they're to die for. What do I got here? Huh. Interesting. Wait. Wait, this doesn't make sense. The math here makes no sense. Why wouldn't, why is this one cheaper than these two? Twitch, that makes no sense. Shouldn't you be incentivizing people to do these ones rather than this one? Oh, I see what they're doing. They get you to do this one. They incentivize you to do this one and forget about it. I think that's what they're doing. Because if you do this one after 2 months, you're paid more than either of these two options. For 3 months. Yeah. Anyway, interesting approach. Save with more months, except you don't. Yeah, I think it's just because the first month is that way. I used to eat them every day with this like microwave steam bag. Yeah, yo, that's what I had today. I was like, you know, I'm gonna give Brussels sprouts another try. And they were so good. It's just like this bag from Kroger, and I just throw it in the microwave for 6 minutes, and it just comes out perfect. And like, absolutely no effort. Absolutely no effort. Oh god, they've just sent me another thing. Please read. Final prep details for your interactive universe session. Blah blah blah. Use Chrome, disable ad blocker, disconnect from VPN. Close any unnecessary applications and turn off audible notifications. Okay. Blah blah blah. Calendar invite. I can access and rehearse in the platform. Yeah, I'm gonna do that already. In case of emergencies, please call me at phone number, and they forgot to fill it in. That's funny. We're not gonna be doing polls. Blah blah blah. And closing. Let attendees know how they can contact you. Oh, don't worry, I showed my Twitch and YouTube and Twitter a lot during my presentation. We're good. We're good on that. Okay. Nothing surprising there. Sleepun says, I'm sure everyone in your apartment complex was happy with your food choice. Wait, why would people in my apartment complex care? Wait, now I'm confused. I'm not growing them. I'm just going to the store. Paxows? Paxows, that's what I'm going to go with. I want to collaborate on open source projects, but I'm a junior dev. Any Python project to start to collaborate? Any advice? As this is not Hacktoberfest, I want to be a better software engineer. That is a good question, and no one has linked my video, so I will link it for you. This is my advice for getting started in open source. The TLDR of this is like pretty much any project under the sun is has easy to fix bugs and is generally looking for people to work with on them. So it's really just like find projects that you use, look through their issue tracker to find easy issues, and then if they're the maintainer is don't ask. Find easy issues, and if there's anything that you have questions about, they're usually fairly happy to help you with them. And so you just kind of go through there. I feel like people were scared of them because of an Ernest movie where they were like monster eggs. Huh. They were the poster child vegetable for children don't eat healthy stuff. Sarcastic Dante says first month and then you're stuck with it for 28 months. Says the 28-month sub, Sarcastic Dante. It's true, it's true. Oh, speaking of 28 months, there's this website which shows you your first 100 followers. If I find it. Oh, where was this website? God damn it. Look up. We'll be able to find it from here. Maybe someone on Reddit has done this already. Go to your channel and scroll all the way to the bottom. Yeah, there's no way. Just made a website. Is it this one? I should open this. Oh, it was a very good idea for opening it off screen. They let their domain lapse. Fuck. Well, if anyone can find the link, it was very interesting. A lot of the names are super familiar. Wait, didn't I link it in the Dixord? Maybe I linked it in the Dixord. Somebody linked it? No? I swore I linked it somewhere. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Oh, Marsha's not being able to find it in the Discord either. Oh, I found it. I found it. Okay, here's my first 100 followers. So I actually don't know who Shrewd User is, because they haven't come to stream in a long time. But I know Ethan, I know Chris. This is my other account. I don't know this. Once stops by still every once in a while. I know them in real life. I don't know any of these people. Outdated versions here. Flask Lord. They stop by every once in a while. I haven't seen Midge in a long time. Tox Maintainer. They haven't been by in a while. Shoddy. I know Shoddy in real life. Quickfloor hasn't been here. Oh, Quickfloor hasn't been here in a long time. See, oh, Satan Zero. I don't think Satan Zero's been here in like years either. I do remember them. Matt, who also streams. I don't recognize any more of these. They've stopped by since then. Chris streams. It hasn't streamed in a while. Anyway, I thought this was interesting. Oh, Mindful Fox is here, who we haven't seen in a while, but I know they're alive and well. I have talked to them. Oh, Liz also streams. And VTCN, we see occasionally. There's a funny clip about this. But I haven't seen them in a while either. This person streamed, but I don't think they've been around in a long time either. Guillermo, who mostly watches on YouTube now. But anyway, that was my first 100 followers. It took months to get to 100 followers. That's actually kind of nuts. Some streams I get 100 followers. Anyway, have you finished all the prep? Yeah, I sent in my slides today. I've gone through a bunch of practice runs. I'm not super confident about it, but we'll just yellow it, right? I am Yower. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Does it say anything about pants? No, I can show up without pants if I really want to. So we can't distract you with subs and bit pings. I'm going to make sure to turn off my OBS notifications for sure. If I get up, has some advice. Hidden says, "What is pre-commit about? I can't figure it out." Like precommit.com or precommit CI. There's a fairly comprehensive introduction here. Well, if you can't figure it out, Hidden, I'm doing a talk on it on Wednesday at GitHub Universe if you want to stop by for that. But anyway, the idea behind pre-commit is kind of two things. One, setting up a bunch of linters and code formatters can be kind of tedious, and versioning them and installing them and all that, it's kind of a pain. And the other is Git hooks are a little bit of a pain to set up. And so what precommit does is it has a small config file where you configure, checkers, fixers, code formatters, etc. in this little config file. And precommit will install all those for you and then run them against files in your repository. And that's kind of the core magic, is that it installs all these tools so you don't have to worry about managing all those. And it supports a whole bunch of different programming languages, so it doesn't really matter all that much what language your tools are written in. Remember to ask if they use semantic versioning. Oh no. Insist to start your version numbers with a V. Yeah. Ethan was like 4th. Yeah, it's true. True. Crazy, right, Ethan? Fun Dutchy says, fucked up at work today, was looking how to install EPEL on this weird AWS OS image and got spammed with a bunch of porn pop-ups. Oh no. AWC Bango. Silly Buttons, thank you for the resub with Prime at 8 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. Briox says, month 1 of officially a software engineer is done tomorrow. Congrats! Well, I'm glad you made it through your first month, and here's to many more. Yeah, no problem, Paxos. Happy to answer questions. That's actually like big part of stream. Why I enjoy chatting with all you is you know, answering all your questions. Marsha found it by searching first followers Twitch. Ah, nice. Just completely skip my turn Hearthstone while looking for the link. Whoops. Rip. Can't believe I wasn't the first. What a letdown. Yeah. Well, you're the first that still comes to the stream, so I think that's pretty fair. Zyzap, hello, welcome back. Welcome. He's up to date now, not outdated version. And then outdated version is right there in the chat. Oh my god, I'm so far behind on chat. Beldathis says I'm not there. Well, you're there in spirit, Beldathis. Stand up when your name is read, cat. Marsha says, I wish I could remember when I first subbed. Heckin' stupid unfollow button glitch, making me unfollow. Yeah. It's a never growing list. I'm happy to report that the bucket of things to learn is still bountiful and overflowing. Oh yeah, for sure. That bucket never stops having more bucket. Yeah, I don't have a command for pre-commit. I haven't made a video about it yet, so I need to do that at some point. How many talks are you giving on it? Just one, but there'll also be a blog post. Yower says, do you know how to scrape proxies with a good speed? Yes, but I'm not comfortable answering that on stream due to the ethical dilemma. Zizep says, any reason you didn't force pip3 in your docs? Because pip3 is not standardized in any particular way. Aren't many installs still putting Python 2x with pip? Not really. But yeah, and pip3 is not standard, so it's an extension of how it gets installed on whatever operating system. Not always there. Thank you, stream, because you enjoyed putting up with us being snarky butts. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I was taking a screenshot of stream for my presentation, and I had to scroll through like 6 hours of footage to find one where my face was up, chat was up, and Marsha was not being lewd. So it we got there eventually. Flagship product, no video. Yeah, there will be a video eventually. DL says, I just bore witness to the dumbest animal standoff in the world. Neither animal moved, neither animal made a noise, just stared at each other for 10 minutes. Is it squirrels? Nope. A dog and a cat. That's amazing. Silly pseudo. That's awesome. He dropped his stick and then just shimmied left and right a few times. That's amazing. I hope pip isn't pointing to Python 2 pip for anyone using software IMA Jane. Yeah. Then I said food and we went inside. Nice. Perfect. What else is on this website? Oh, nothing else. Nothing else important. Following list. Yeah, that doesn't scale. I've got what? Almost 12,000 followers. Yeah, that would not work out so well. Hi, Satisfied. How are you doing? Hello. Good to see you again. I like how these are all like, get Twitch followers fast. Yeah, like that's gonna work. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's the bug in GitHub. Nothing really I can do about that, so I'm just gonna purge the queue and then we'll just work on some open source stuff and hope that it gets fixed next week. And if it doesn't get fixed next week, I will report the bug to GitHub. But yeah, that's auto update day. Why are you two? You two. Oh, we gotta wait for it to flush. All right, so we'll leave this open until this dead letters, because it takes a while to cycle through. But yeah, how you doing, DDelsp? I don't know. All right, let's take a look at. Oh shit! My podcast goes live tomorrow too. Oh my god. Okay, well, pay attention to the README podcast. Here's the link that will eventually. I think at 404s right now, but that'll eventually be a thing. So there will be a podcast episode tomorrow. Yes, the podcast. I'm talking about streaming and open source and stuff like that. How I got started with programming. Nothing. It shouldn't be anything surprising for you guys in chat, but it'll be a fun little podcast. Not my podcast. I'm not making a podcast. At least not yet. That seems like a lot of work. I satisfied says, can I say to anyone not to pay for a Udacity course? Wait, what? I'm confused. Del says, I'm doing well. Have a story to tell about support requests when I'm finishing changing out my insulin pump. Ah. Well, make sure that goes well first. Hey, what's up, Alexa? Hello. Welcome back. Podcast, yeah. I need something to listen to at work tomorrow. When does it come out? It comes out 7 a.m. Eastern. So, yeah, hopefully that'll be available for work. Hashtag not my podcast, yeah. Anthon getting famous. Don't forget about us when you get paid. No, don't worry. I won't forget about UI Satisfied and anyone else in Twitch chat. Because I don't think I'll ever be big enough where where I won't be chatting with you in chat, you know? Podcast. Anthony thinks a podcast, yes. Donata says, gotta go to sleep. Have a good stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's good to see you as always, Beldothis. Okay. Let us start with the first thing, which every fucking day this thing is broken. And it's broken in exactly the same file. They keep refactoring it for some reason, and I don't understand. And it's really annoying. But we get to play the same game again. The last 3 streams we have done this. And it's not the docs build actually, because I have turned those all off. I'm sure the docs builds would all be broken as well. But yeah, I turned those off because they're not worth the effort. Boings type, welcome back. Thank you for the resub and 11 months. It's good to see you again. So it's not symbols. They've been working on this setup module file, which is supposed to be a input to how the build system works. Python, say Python. And I don't know why, but they keep reordering it for some fucking reason. And every time they reorder it, it causes a new merge conflict. Yeah, this file. So they've been working on this a lot over the last couple of days. And each of these are just like big changes to this file. So this one caused conflict, then this one caused conflict, then this one caused conflict. And I'm pretty sure this one is going to be the conflict today. This one might also be a conflict. Actually, why do we have 3 comments here? Hello? It would be better to split these long lines. Oh, this is going to break something for sure. Oh, damn it. Okay, well, we will see what is on our plate for that. Okay, so I think we're supposed to run this script. But yeah, this is a silly file. Yeah, symbols would be a problem, except they're turned off for the nightly, because yeah, they're a fucking pain in the ass also. Celestia Blue says, I'm sure you've explained this before, but why do you create a dead snake for a version of Python that isn't even out in beta? Is this like a nightly version? Yes, this one specifically has nightly. But I also do any tagged release, so there's a if there's a alpha out, I will tag the alpha release as well. Udacity is a site you can pay to be taught things, and I purchased one to see how it is, and so many errors everywhere, and the mentors are basically idiots. Oh no. I mean, they're smart people, but don't know when to separate teaching and understanding. That makes sense. Yeah, I'm collecting all the merge conflicts. Activity in the decimal market. Yeah, stonks to the moon. Ethan says, I think I'm somewhat close to being able to get CPath and build for WASI. Wait, for like WASM? Like running in the browser? That's nuts. The perks of running nightly builds? Yeah. Well, it's more like the pain of maintaining the Debian patches on top of the nightly builds. Like, it wouldn't be a big problem, I think, if it was just the normal nightly builds. Okay, so I want this part of this, and then not the other part, right? I think this is in here twice now. If I recall correctly. No? Okay, well then, I'm gonna get another conflict tomorrow. No! Did I get all the conflicts, at least? Okay. Oh, there's 2 conflicts today. Oh, shit. What is this patch called? Build math object. Debian patches build math object. New file. What? Build math object.diff. Math.o. Is math.c gone? It's gone! Get rebase skip. I think that's how this works. Cool. Hope that's right. So we deleted the math object patch, yes. And then this should just be updates. We got a diff here. Yeah, math.c is gone. Okay, cool. Cool. Wait. Wait, I think I fucked this up. Yep, I fucked this up. As it says, thanks for the help with the JSON encoding issue I had some time ago. I got it changed and my output is now more readable. Nice, awesome. WASI is WASM with a few extra libc-like things. Oh, nice. Downside is if you or any of your dependencies try and use threads, things will crash. Yeah. Hey, what's up, the Endless River? Hello. I wrote LaTeX today. My result was environment paracall cannot be nested. God, I hate LaTeX. It's so much of a pain in the ass to write. Dana42, hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay, good thing I noticed that, because otherwise we would have had a bit of a pain in the ass. Oh, rebase continue, and then export, and then look at our diff again. Hopefully So this is just diffs in the actual not interesting part. Yeah, because it's a diff. Silly diff. Okay, refresh patches, and then we gotta do the same thing for Bionic, and we hope that it builds. Bionic. I find the right command. Flake8 greater than or equal to 380, less than 4. Someone didn't enjoy the new version. Oh no, where is that from? Sarcastic Dante. There actually not much changed in the new version. I don't know why people are so salty about it. But you up here. Oh, I just like completely balls to the merge conflict last time. How did I fuck that up? Who knows? Who knows? Let's look at our diff. Looks good. All right. So now, now we rebuild again, and I'm pretty sure it's going to immediately conflict again. Our diff's like recursive diff, so it's a diff applied on top of a patch file. The patch file is a diff, and then the get diff is a diff on the diff. That's why it ends up that way. The Python LSP, interesting. Why though? It brings new constraints on PyCodes on PyFix to prevent the pip solver. Well, you're just supposed to update all 3 of them, you idiot. Wait, what the fuck? No. Oh, they fucked this up. Yeah. So you're not supposed to list this or this. No, this or this. They're just dumb. Oh. Why are they listed separate? God, these people don't know what they're doing. Oh, they're a constant source of low quality bug reports. But yeah, they don't know what they're doing. I don't know why they did that. Python have a Lisp. I mean LSP? Like a Lisp. I'm sure you could write one on top of Python if you really wanted to. I don't know why you would though, because it would be hella slow. Okay, let's look at this next one. Let me fix that. Bounce from before. It's from before. Require serial. It's an option. Bill says, okay, so support tickets. Oh no, I think Twitch cut it off. I was looking through support tickets related to an issue that I had resolved a while ago at work, but for a different ticket that I had done myself. The customer made some changes to their endpoint, which caused our processing code to stop working. They eventually found out it was because our code forced transfer encoding chunked. In the support ticket, we told the customer to fix their endpoint to support transfer encoding chunked, as it was the quickest fix, and they just did it, no questions asked. This ticket was 3 years old when I looked at it. And after they reverted that, there was no peep from the customer about it. Huh. That's wild. You meant to Lisp because of the tongue. Oh, because like the Python, like parcel tongue? Is that what you're going for? Yeah, I understand. Okay, let's fix that little doc thing so that no one else makes the same mistake. Should be in the advanced section. Fire serial true. Specify require serial true. Silenced and fork bomb. Boop. As a customer, I'd be so upset. Oh yeah, I'd be pissed. Like forcing me to use chunked transfer would suck. Like just let me use easy identity. The in-server says they pinged me on this issue about pre-commit. I don't even get what they're discussing, and their problem is look like they just overcomplicated things. Oh no. Wait, why do they ping you? I noticed that in Adafruit date time, the pre-commit check could take a long time, especially for the test step. Oh, they probably just misconfigured the test step. Wait, this is almost exactly the same bug. They have misunderstood the assignment. What the fuck? Blah 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 blah. Uh-huh. Yeah, this is way better. No, still garbage. No. No. Wait, where did they ping you? Wait. I don't see you in here. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Anyway. Oh, on the pull request? Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, I see. You switched to Mirror's Pilot. Yeah. Cool thing, actually. You can remove these 3 lines, and it'll work the same way. Which is kind of neat. I see. Yeah, shouldn't it just be apply apply your patch over there? That would make the most sense. It's fixed now. We support actually calculating content link generically now. Nice, nice, nice. Require serial crunch, yeah. So the problem with Pylint not running in serial is Pylint follows imports, and so it'll relint the whole code base every single time. And if you have 5 processors and you fork them all out and they each run 5 Pylint projects, you have 25 processes trying to do work, trying to lint the whole code base 25 times. And if you have 32 processors, you're now linting the code base 900 times. So if you have a thread ripper, you're doing what? 4 squared? Why am I not able to think of that number? 6. What? I tripping on this. 4096. Yeah, so Pylint is always going to be faster to run serially. Also, Pylint implements its own multiprocessing, so it can do its smarter idea there. This is why, for instance, CQA Pylint. This is why, for instance, Pylint sets require serial true here. For exactly that reason. Actually, does the mirror set that? Probably should if it doesn't. Wait, why is this here? What the fuck? Is score equals n the turn the score off thing? Maybe I did that. Maybe I did that. Maybe that's intentional. Do you want check now, or is content length in 100 milliseconds with double the hardware bill and drop of 3 nines from the stability? Yeah, exactly. Like, we just want to lint it real good. Yeah, lint it a bunch of times. Pylint is going to be faster in series. Yeah, it is kind of. So it makes sense. MyPy has the same deal, like where MyPy has to import all your other code to know the types of the whole system, and so MyPy and Pylint, anything that does dynamic analysis like that, is going to be faster if you give it just one process to do all the work. Ethan says it's still funny to see PyTest bring up all the nodes on a mini core machine. Yeah. Yeah, you run n auto and PyTest is like booting workers 1 through 64. Yeah, that does happen quite a bit. Roosterhead, hello, welcome to the stream. I'm also sleepy because I didn't really sleep all that well last night. But yeah, that's the way things go. God, I'm gonna have to bang podcast, bang readme, bang talk, bang blog posts, just all sorts of things. Setting the mirror config to require serial true. Yeah, I think there's an option. Recommit mirror maker to fix this. I don't remember how this thing works. It should have a double under main.py and it doesn't. It is the same option. Mirrors, Pylint. I'll just set it so the next update fits. Oh, they fixed the bug. Well, kind of. I still can't see the footer. They partially fixed the bug. I can scroll down now. No, they have not fixed everything. CSS is my passion. Set fire serial true for Pylint to avoid extra multi-processing. If you're banging all those things, you aren't going to sleep well tonight either. True, it's true. Yeah, and there's a video for you, Celestial Blue, about double undermain. It makes it so the package, the TLDR is it makes it so the package is executable. rather than having to specify the full module path. Better to make it easier. No. No, chat. It's already failing again. Oh. No, it's the same file. A merge conflict again. Son of a bitch. Alright, well. Time to fix the merge conflict yet again. Is there a delay in my feed? No, I'm just sorry. I commented in chat. I comment here, now you can see exactly what your delay is. I commented in chat without speaking about it. So you're actually not that delayed. I'm just was talking and typing at the same time. Yerm says, getting kind of late, gonna head to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. What time is your GitHub Universe talk? I think it's 3 p.m. Eastern. Don't quote me on that. Let me actually open up my calendar and look. Is 3 p.m. Eastern. Yes, I was right. 3 p.m. Eastern. Oh. Wait, they've given me an even smaller slot. Okay, I might have to cut my talk down. Which is actually great, because I feel like... Yeah, that's awesome. Wait, it says duration 30 minutes, but my meaning is only... I will ping my contact and make sure that I know the exact amount of time, because it's supposed to be a talk and then Q&A. And if it's a 20-minute slot, that would mean my talk is 15 minutes with 5 minutes Q&A. If it's a 25-minute slot, which is what I originally was told, then it'd be 20 minutes with 5 minutes of Q&A, and that's what I have prepped for. If it's a 30-minute slot, I gotta come up with more content, which I can always fluff more in there, but yeah. Robotic Head, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. It's failing because I'm watching, yeah. Midday Eastern? Yeah, no, it's midday Pacific. I guess it's kind of midday Eastern as well, but yeah. Good video linked like a ghost garbage. Yeah. In 21 hours? No. It's on Wednesday, not Tuesday. Don't scare me like that. Oh, my chat route disconnected. Are you still working? Somebody say something. Okay, it's still working. Oh, DDoS, oh man. Not a bot says, what are you going to be talking about? I'm going to be talking about code review and linters and code matters and pre-commit. My baby. And sprinkle in some pre-commit CI as well. Virtual Paracosm, hello, hello. Thank you for the kind words about my haircut. I did get quite a bit cut off, but Wednesday is on Tuesday this week, yeah. Okay. Thank you, chat. It's still working. I got DC'd for some reason though, so don't know what that's about. What was I doing? Oh yeah, this again. No, not decimal. No. Oh, there's so many conflicts. Wait, does it not tell time zones on the event page? It's in Pacific time on the web page. That's fucked though. I don't know why they would do that. Oh, you changed the time zone at the top? Oh, got it. Thanks, Andrew Costa. Oh my god. Okay, so the SSL one is easy, I think. But what did they actually change? Wait, I'm super confused. Why is it .a? Does this file even matter is the other question. What does this file get used for? Module setup is used to generate makefile targets to build C extensions. I thought there was a setup.py. Oh, I'm gonna fuck this up, but it's gonna be not good. Okay, I know I want this. The question is, do I want decimal in here? I think I do. It's really not. But okay. Thanks for the bit, silly buttons. Java Love, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. There'll be 2 Fridays this week. Nice, nice. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. I think we're just gonna take what Upstream has there. Might not be a good idea, but okay. This one just removes LM. Okay. So elementary, that looks fine. Expat, that looks fine. Oh, C types. We're gonna have to check if there's another C types. Oh, Vim's done. Nice. ABC123 has redeemed the code review. Well, let me know what you want me to review, and we will hopefully review it on Saturday, if that's okay with you. Death and taxes. Okay, all right. I will check this out on... Are you okay if I do this on Saturday? Roostrad says, do you think keeping public repos of your beginner projects would be harmful if an employer saw your GitHub profile? Absolutely not. keep all your projects on there. Employers are always happy to see any amount of initiative that you take for open source. DM, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. They had code instantly so fast. Yeah. Anthony Review. Oh, is this a Kiwi project? Okay, we'll check this out on 9 minutes ago. You were on the ball, ABC123. Are you okay if we do this on Saturday? Is that okay with you? Mr. Curdo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Not financial advice. Yeah, exactly. Are you okay if I do this on Saturday? Is that fine with you? I take that as a yes. Remind me on Saturday, and we will review your code. Actually, who all do I owe? How do I look at channel point reward? Queue thing. Review Crest queue. There's a button for it. Okay, we did build offices. We have not done preox yet either. And we didn't do Kanapes. Kanape was like donating theirs to chat, I think. Sounds like the perfect time for a 12-hour stream. Could I do it this Saturday? Maybe I could. Did I do this one, Marsha? I don't remember. Did I do this? I might have. You'll have to remind me. I don't think so. Okay. Yeah. Well, we can do all these on Saturday. It'll be fine. We'll just do a code review stream. 2 months ago, I haven't done anything in a couple months. Oh, okay. But yeah, those are still there. Oh, these are all done. Zithrius, 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 and then Königgeist. And we did this. I only owe 2 of these, and then I can turn the reward back on. I'm sure as soon as I turn the reward on, you're all just gonna redeem it at the same time. Cool. Okay. Anthony reviews code. It's true. It's true. I don't think you did. She submitted to and only did 1. That makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, it's Halloween. Oh, we might have to do a onesie stream. That is true. It is Halloween. Might have to dress up for all y'all. I don't think I'm going to any parties, so we can do that. We can do that. Any excuse for the onesie? Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have these 2 lines here. Are they any different? They are different. I think this is the Debian one, the Debian one. So I think we're gonna keep the Debian one. Okay, so now it's elementary with XPad, XPad with XPad, C types. We remove the have F5 prep. I will have to check what upstream does after this as well. I don't fucking know. Okay. I think that's fine. Guess we'll find out when I build, right? Aggressive Dandy says Flagate was throwing errors despite my .flagate file because it doesn't seem to read it when reading from standard in. Really? That seems odd. Let me do my window manager. We got a Python file here. Flagate g.py. Make sure. Hello? Oh, we gotta do flagate dash. Yeah. And then if we do .flagate, then we do flagate like 9. Ignore equals F401. Extend ignore for best practices. Seems to work for me. Elizabeth says, me and the girlfriend are going to an escape room. Ooh, that sounds fun. Upstream sounds like Updog. Yeah, it's true. What's Upstream? How's it doing, chat? Upstream in this case is Debian. The Debian. Okay. Got ourselves a diff as usual. Added decimal. Hopefully we don't regret that. Figure out the math and then a bit of diff down here. And then we rewrote SSL again. Wait, SSL's in here twice. Oh. Wait a minute. This looks very similar to this. So I think that I just need to leave this in there and remove my thing. Oh, I hope I'm right. Well, that's not what I want. Oh, that was almost bad. You were editing a commit while rebasing. I don't think that's right. Physinkchick, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I like how it says nano dot control C cake. Cake 8, yeah. True. What's the reverse I search? If I do control R, it searches for a command based on a substring match. Oh, you missed Flake 8 in your config. Yeah, that would do it. That would do it. John Love says, I have an interview with FRA, the National Defense Radio Establishment, is the Swedish National Authority for Signals Intelligence. Wish me luck. Well, good luck with that. Man, that was quite a mouthful to read. So I actually want to... You know, be the kicker is if this file doesn't matter at all. I wonder if you were in the middle of another rebase. This command I just ran? Oh, it's only in here once. Well, now I'm confused. Now I'm super confused. Shrugs. Anyway, it's fine. Okay, now we gotta do Bionic. There is music, it's just kind of quiet. Bump it a little bit. There we go, made it louder. Java, government work makes sense. Java and Python, interesting. Jython, no. No, we never mean Jython. Oh, I gotta do the same thing again? Or can we cheese it? It can be cheesed. Oh no, why did I add a random new line in the middle here? Oh, it's probably from C types. I'm just gonna leave that random new line in there. Even though it's a little sloppy. Alright, diff. Gut status. And then I think I have to wait until tomorrow. But I'm gonna click the button anyway, even though I don't think it's gonna work. That's a bug. That's bugging GitHub. It immediately scrolls down to this, even though I clicked restart, so it's... God, IronPython. Actually, didn't IronPython like recently get way better? Or am I misremembering? Oh, I've gotten a lot of spam emails recently that are, we've noticed that you've been added as a Python Software Foundation fellow. Would you like to try out our garbage software? And it's like, no. I don't give a shit about your startup. One of them was like backing up your GitHub repos. And I'm like, what part of distributed version control system do you not understand? Like, of course I already have clones. That's all the backup I need. Okay. Is it just going to skip these? That's the question. You gotta send Anthony a note to join near. What is Near Beach? Some sort of porn site. Near Beach. Open source project management system. Okay. From AU. From the Australia. I see. Interesting. They have a Patreon? They should sponsor my stream. Save it directly on our cloud platform. Yeah, exactly. Almost says, what are you building in GitHub Actions? Python. I'm building Python. Nightly builds of 3.11 for Focal and Bionic in this case. And it is ever so slowly cloning. Maybe GitHub updates the ice vault back. Yeah, maybe break into their big old vault. That'd be pretty funny. Oh, is it actually doing stuff? No, there's no way. It's gonna get to this step and be done. No depth 1, so it actually needs the Git history here, unfortunately. So yeah, it has to do a full depth clone, unfortunately. You have 2,000 GitHub Actions minutes. This is open source, so I have essentially infinite Actions minutes. Yeah, this runs once a day. It takes like it at most takes like 20 minutes, I think. Oh, it's not a huge deal. But yeah, those are free minutes, essentially. Ivan Bog, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I do have private minutes for pre-commit CI. So like all of my deploys go through. Oh, this is not a private repo. Let's not use the public stuff there. But like these deploys use up my private minutes, and they usually take. Well, that one was short, but the actual deploy takes longer. The deploy takes like 7 minutes. Juicebox Hero. Juicebox Hero has just resubbed for 18 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support, Juicebox Hero. How are you doing on this fine moon day? It's been a while. Have you been busy? Are you still busy? Are you still busy with the with the Twitch stuff? With your unexpected open sourcing? Juice already has the fanciest badge. Yeah, it's true. Juice has got the wrench. Longsis says CloudFormation will be the death of me. I do not like CloudFormation. I know that feels. Juice being cry. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Okay, yeah, this just skipped. So we'll see tomorrow if I fix the build. I cry. Oh right, we still need that because we need to purge these guys. Purge. Goodbye. Sick. Data leak. Unexpected centralized backup. Yeah, it's true. Virtual Paracosm. You haven't seen Juicebox Hero Virtual Paracosm? Juice is here all the time. I would expect with your 2-month sub badge, you would have at least seen Juice once. Things are coming down. I can finally stream again on Wednesday. Nice. Nice. Would this be considered an OOPS, object-oriented programming stream? I'm not really a fan of object-oriented programming, personally. But we do sometimes make objects, I guess. How you doing, Useless Pony? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Right. Next open source thing. This one's an interesting one. I actually just forgot to run a command. Git push dash tags. I've configured a hook to be run on pre-push. When performing normal non-empty pushes with git push, the hook runs properly. However, pushes with only symbol tags do not trigger the hook. Oh, okay, well, we'll try their config. Seems odd that that would be the case. Does pre-push run with tags? We'll find out. Command install hook type push. Pre-push. Pre-push. Git tag. What? Git push tags. Interesting. Tit tag, yeah, 100%. Python-m pre-commit. Python-m pre-commit. Hook impl. Big pre-commit config. Hook type pre-push. Hook. Dash origin. temp/y/wet. And then I did the input wrong. Interesting. Why is it skipping text? Factories galore. Slushy says, gonna go to bed, have a work tomorrow. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Need to ask about that object-oriented programming opinion another time. Catch you folks on the Discord. Well, thank you for stopping by. And for those of you that don't know about the Discord, it's free to join. Come hang out with us. Pre-push. We get tags, 0. Trusting. Admittedly, I am not super familiar with how pre-push works. B, push, and S. Local branches ref tags wat3. Local SHA is that. Remote branches ref tags wat3. Okay. If the local SHA is Z40, it skips it. If the remote SHA does not equal Z40, so it does equal Z40. Otherwise, get rev list local SHA topo order reverse. Oh. So if not ancestors. Ancestors not found in the remote. Get rev list local SHA topo order. Oh, so this is saying that all of the revisions are in the remote. So it gets skipped. So it looks intentional, but I don't know why. Oops, I guess I should have thought my joke a bit more. That's all fine. I satisfied says I love the first 4 characters in your name. Yeah, I satisfied is a Java friend. Sarcastic Dante is going to sleep. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. Funny. Okay, so this seems to be intentional. Well, a bit strange. This seems to be intentional given the code. Book and bull. In this, it's checking if any of the revisions being pushed don't already exist on the remote. And in that case, skips checking, skips running any of the hooks. Because presumably that revision has already been did beforehand. Not quite sure how to handle your particular use case. Might need to be something which is handled outside of the framework, perhaps as a legacy hook. But then you kind of lose. Then, then you don't have any. Yeah. I'll just leave it at that. We'll see what they say. Yeah. I satisfied and Juicebox Hero are both in chat. You with your little simp shit there. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? What's with that? Okay, so I still haven't done the Flake 8 profiling stuff from last time. So that one's still on the table, and that actually gets through all of my open source stuff, but we're only 2 hours into stream. Maybe we'll work on my linter. Work on my linter a little bit. Gotta send back for my tier 3 sub. That's kind of fair. I'll let you have that one. Alright, we're gonna work on A-lint. Oh no, where'd my code go? Okay, let's figure out what's easy to implement. What's the bottom? I was kind of working from the bottom up. Trailing white space. Could do that one. No new line at end of file. This one we could also do. We could also do this one as well. Blank line contains white space. Is that different from trailing white space? Supposed to report both of them on the same line? What lint should I use? A-lint. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Broccoli Rob? Hello, hello. Yeah, A-lint is private at the moment, mostly because I don't know whether I'm gonna finish it. Yeah. Juice says, Anthonk, I will forever blame you for quoting that 1-800 context ad all the time. 1-800 contacts? They can't have my brand. I have special eyes. Look with their special eyes. My brand. That one? Why would you blame me for that? It's genius. It's gold. It's the best ad ever. She's finally coming around. Nice, I satisfied. Don't tell your girlfriend that though. Guys take notes. It only takes $100 an hour, and they simp back. Yeah, go for it. Clip it. Go for it. But yeah, A-lint is I don't know whether I'm ever gonna finish it, so I'm not gonna try and make it public yet, but we'll see. I quote it all the time now. I say my brand maybe like once a week, and look with your special eyes twice a week. That's amazing. That's yeah. I mean, if I talked to humans, I would probably do that as well. What's the other one? I don't know if you picked it up though, but me saying that is the opposite of what is good. I say that all the time. What's that from? Oh, I know what that's from. I actually say a lot of things from that, but I don't think we can show it on stream. We gotta play on the spooky night with Shoddy, and we gotta stream it. Yes, we have to finish. What is that game called? But yeah, whenever you're not, you know, picking up Twitch's mess, we can do that. Okay, so I actually prefer to do. Actually, does Pycode style? Does Pycode style mad about this? Yes. Okay, so well, actually, I think I'll do this one first, just so we can check it off, and that'll get us our AST things out of the way. Oh, Robotic had an indie monkey. You know each other. Cool. Test features ambiguous names. To do function parameters. Indeed. Names. Def test ambiguous. Normal param. Settings. insert ret is equal to error E741. I don't know what position it'll be at, but let's start with that. Ba-ba-bum. Test features ambiguous names. Cool. Failing tests. Nice. Alent plugins. Ambiguous names. Visit function def. Okay, so we actually need to add more here. So we'll yield from, and then we will break a point and pass. And print out our nod. Master Tech, hello, welcome. We are working on a bit of a secret project right now. We are working on a linter, a replacement for high code style. It's currently called alent. It's not a. it'll probably have a better name later, but for now, this is what it's called. Okay, cool. It looks like I will be able to get the actual argument offset. Okay, but we actually need all of these things. We need position only arguments, we need arguments, we'll need star quarg, we'll need keyword only args, and we'll need star quarg. All of those will need to go through this check here. A-lint? What about B-lint? Exactly, I'm Matt. B minus lint? Yeah. B linted? Ooh. What about Clint? I think that's taken already. I think there's a package called Clint, yeah. Command line interface tools. Puts? What is this, fucking Perl? Why? Hey. Pre-commit lint? That could lead to some interesting typos. Yes. It could, Alexa. That is true. Wait, what got clipped here? My brand. Anyway, any hoosers. Okay, so we will need to do pos only args as well, but we'll start with args. For arg in nod.args. The yield from visit name E741. Arg.arg. Arg.9no. Arg.call offset. That should get our retest that we're failing passing. Obviously. Argument's object is not iterable. Oh, I think it's .args.args. .args.args? .args.args, yes. And the offset's wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6? Off by 1. Sick. Okay, so then we have to do pos only args. Test ambiguous name. Test ambiguous pos only arg. Less than 3.8, we need 901. Don't know what position it's at, otherwise E741. 1.6. This should say expected, not read. I 3/8. Pram gun no cover. 8 plus. Rent equals check def name, and it's positional only arguments with just the slash. I don't know because I literally never use them. So rent equals expected. I did a backslash like a dumbass. This should be a forward slash. Okay, so no lint errors. If system version info is greater than or equal to 3/8. For arg in node.args.pause only args. Ooh, exactly 80 characters. Okay. You gotta do names, def test ambiguous name arg. Star. Is this gonna be 6 or is it gonna be 7? I think it's gonna be 7. Arg dot no dot args dot vararg. Oh, we have to do if. Check for none first because it is nullable. I did nod. Oh, that's what I get for memeing and saying it wrong intentionally out loud. What? Oh, this should be dot. iPad would have told me. Sick. I want to create web development video courses and put these on YouTube. Is this wise to do? Yeah, go for it, man. If your content's good, ship it. Even if it's bad, ship it. Jay Scarlata, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Next is Quomliargs. And then Quarg. Names, def test, ambiguous name. Quomliargs. For arg in node.args.quomliargs. Okay. And finally, we gotta do Quarg. Star arg. Star arg. Arg, quark. Look. Sick. Nice. Another one done. Rick and Airflow says, hoping to ask a question about testing and a stopping point. Feel free to ask questions whenever you want, and I will answer them. Say .args enough and you'll start singing the Pink Panther theme. I don't think I know the Pink Panther theme, or I probably would if... What did I just do here? I was typing get status and thinking get add -u, and ended up with get stat space -us. Is my brain multi-threaded and fucking broken? Like, what? Pinky Dicers, how you doing? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Even if it's bad, ship it. Yes. Yes. That's fair. Oh, you're talking about the videos. Yes, yes, indeed, indeed. Hasn't stopped anyone before. Yeah, there's a lot of bad content on YouTube. Record Airflow says, I'm new to open source testing. I'm trying to learn about DBT. DBT therapy. DBT data building tool is a command line tool that enables data analysis engineers to transform their data in their warehouse simply by writing select state. So it is a particular data tool for doing transforms. It's kind of SQL-based transforms. Okay. I ran PyTest and I saw a test pass, but I'm not sure what else to do to see how things work. I mean, I would read through docs and, you know, if you have specific tests, usually they're named nicely that have, I don't know, examples of how the code works. So you might be able to follow that as well. You were saying it to the beat, but it was a while ago. Oh, okay. Well then. I can't watch this on stream. I was gonna say someone should hum it to me, but then I was like, wait a minute. There'd be no way I would be able to hear it. Nice new git command, yeah. Git stat United States. Yeah. It's true. Good to hear that you're doing well, Peaky Dicers. That's great. Cool. Okay. Now what else shall we do? I want to get the AST ones out of the way since those are going to be the easiest and it will make me less likely to quit this project, I think. Because if I'm like 90% of the way done, then I'll have like no excuse but to finish it, you know? Do you not compare types? I actually know what that one is. Oh, we forgot to make sure that this works in older versions. We forgot about that. 90% done? Okay, ship it. Yeah, exactly. 110. Let's try them all. Okay, 3.6 is good. Please. Please 3.7, please. Yes. That was the one I was concerned about. 3.8 will be good because that's the one we were testing against. And 3.9 and 3.10 should be unchanged. In theory. Look. Look. Okay, so what was the one we were looking at? Compare types. E721. Object type comparisons should always use isInstant. Look at this fucking comment, chat. In Python 2.3. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this one an error, but this one's okay? What? They're just using a bunch of gross regex expressions, so we'll have to pick apart their regex. But I need to fill up my water, so I'm gonna go do that. I will be right back. Cheese Lover says, had 2 interviews today, feeling exhausted. How's open source coming? It's going well. It's going well. Hopefully your interviews went well. I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I've got my water. Juice, are you still here? I got on my exercise bike today for the first time in months. Oh, you are still here. It feels bad, but I'm missing my cardboard box. You know, my cardboard box, Juice, for my exercise bike. Well, you ran 3 miles today. That's awesome. That's really good. It's almost getting too cold for me to run. Do I have a photo of this cardboard box? It's hideous. It's stupid. I think I actually do on Facebook. The first impression I had of you in person was your cardboard box. Yeah, it's true. It's true. And somehow you still wanted to hang out with me. What a fucking wild concept that was. No, I have a photo of that. Pretty sure it's on Facebook. Oh, it is just barely out of frame in this photo. Definitely was, that one seems intentional. Mobile uploads, maybe it's in there. Oh, it's just out of frame in this photo too. I'll show you the photo anyway. This is my exercise bike. This is specifically when it was broken. I was doing my like morning bicycling, and the chain, like, you can't really see it here, but the chain like bent, so I had to like bend the chain back. And this is me with all the parts taken apart, and like you can see that I was dripping sweat while taking it apart too, which is kind of gross, but yeah. This is my old living room. Oh, that's where there'll be a photo. There's a living room photo somewhere. that I shared with somebody. During my computer build. My computer build has a photo, for sure. The photos. Build. Or did I intentionally crop that out of this too? I did. It's right here. Yeah, I cropped it out of that as well. Oh well. Never mind, I guess you won't get to see my cardboard box. Oh, Juice might have a pic. The trick to getting girls is cardboard boxes. I think my garage might impress the ladies. Yeah. What are the Python curses in your notebooks? In your bookmarks? So curses, so you may not have noticed, Robotic Head, but I wrote my own text editor. This is Babby, which I wrote from scratch. And Babby's implemented using curses, which is a terminal UI library. And I have a bookmark to the curses docs because I frequently spent a lot of time reading through these. And unfortunately, when you Google Python 3 curses, which is what I usually do, like Python 3 module name, the first result is the tutorial, which is not helpful. It doesn't give you API docs. And so you actually have to click on the second link. And every time I would do that, I would be like, fucking god damn it. And curse for reality. You have an almost picture? My box will be a secret forever. Oh, wait, maybe this shows it? Nope. This is taken from the point of view of the box. Wait, what about this one? Nope. Also not. Yeah. Rip. Oh, wait. No, I do have a photo of the box. I have a photo of the box, but it's kind of hard to tell what's going on here. Here's the box. So I am on my exercise bike right now. And this is me playing 3 3DSs and 2 Switches at the same time. You can't see one of them because it's on the TV. But yes, this is my box where I just like put stuff. Check Dixord. What the fuck is this photo? What is this? Oh, is that Tofu's ear? I'm very confused what this photo is. Can I show this? Is this safe for stream? I don't know what's on the chair or what's on the bike. Let's sure this isn't against terms of service, right? You go wrong. There's no nudity. I assume you're wearing. I assume you're wearing clothes in this. All right, we gotta. Here's a photo of the box and Tofu's ear. Oh, it's your Twitch jacket. Ah, got it. Oh yeah, here's the box. But anyway, I was looking for something to set some stuff down on, and I did not have anything. The box is, I think it's a Amazon box. I don't know what I ordered in it, but it's sitting on top of an end table. So that I could have a very high place to place things. But anyway. Cool. Okay. So let's take a look at this compare type projects. Compare type projects. Okay, so breaking this down, we have a non-capturing group, which is equals or does not equal. This is a cheeky way to write equals equals or does not equal. Or is not. Okay. This first part is followed by white space, followed by type, an optional parenthesis. Wait, did I just delete a character here? What? Oh, not an optional parenthesis, a non-caption group. Either types dot something type, or why do they fucking regex golf this so much? I hate whoever wrote this. Watch, it blames me. Oh, I can't do it that way. I mean, it would still be true, but why does this blame to me? No. What did I change? Oh, I changed a star to a plus. So it's not my fault. It's not my fault, chat. Okay, look, it doesn't blame to me. We're good. We're good. That box is pretty prime. It's true, it's true. Just like your prime set. No. Useless Bunny says I can no longer accept invites to servers I'm already in. Oh, so you're already in the Dick Sword. You sent me something on the Dick Sword. This is pretty adorable. Look at this pupperoo. Look at this pupperoo. Look at the little tail wiggle. Look at the little tail wiggle. Look at this pupperoo. Pretty cute, huh? SkysFX says I hate who did it. Oh, it's me. I mean, yeah. Who's a little pupperoo? Tofu's a little pupperoo. That was a very important thing. I'm glad you shared that on the Dick Sword. Hey, what's up, Fixer Jake? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Okay, so it seems like to replicate this, all we have to do is, well, wait, what is the rest of this? 721. If inst and isIdentifier inst, match group 1. Well, we fucked the regex here. Group 1. So non-capturing, non-capturing. Wait, group 1? No, that's non-capturing. Capture? No, this is escaped. Where the fuck is group 1? This is group 1. Inst not in singletons. Allow comparison for types which are not obvious. Maybe I gotta walk the brat. Have fun walking yourself, says Marsha. Oh no. Bible Clan member says next week email regex. Yeah, the email regex is pretty insane. At least know what's going on here, but I'm struggling to understand why. Miltons. False, none, true. So if it's type equals type something, and that something is a identifier but not a true, false, none, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's a problem. So does that mean see, this rule just seems garbage to me. Like sometimes you do want to do that. And I bet if you do it the other way around, then it's just like, yeah, you're fine. Yeah, this rule is just dumb. I think equals with types is bad, but is should be fine. Why write email regex when you can just do is valid email and hope it exists? Yeah. How's your universe talk coming? I mean, I submitted my slides today, so it's about as done as it's gonna be. I still need to figure out how long the talk is supposed to be. I designed the talk to be 20 minutes with 5 minutes of Q&A, but my slot might be 20 minutes total. So I might need to cut 5 minutes, which would actually be great because the first like 5 minutes of the talk, I feel like is really kind of bad. I feel like the beginning part of my talk is weak. Yeah, I don't really like the part. Is it going to be recorded / up on YouTube? Yeah, I believe so. I will also have, I will also be recording it separately to re-upload to my YouTube just in case like they maintain rights or some shit. I'll just re-record so I don't have to worry about that. Your schedule says 12 to 12:30. Yeah, that's the thing that's fucked. I have 4 different slot things here. So let me see. The first one they sent to me, this doesn't have anything in it. Okay, so it's not that one. This one, to be determined. $15. Craft. That one. Slack. This. Art. Okay, so this one says 12 p.m. to 12:25. So this one says 25 minutes. The actual thing on GitHub's website says 30 minutes. My calendar invite says 20 minutes. And I think the original discussion that I had said 30 minutes. That's that amount of time. Yeah, this one says 20 minutes. Fuck. Wait, but it also says 30 minutes. It says 20 minutes and 30 minutes. God, I hope it's not 30 minutes because then I gotta add content. I'd rather cut content than add content. Maybe we'll just spend more time in Q&A. Yeah, that would be great. I'd be down with that. I got that. Okay. That looks fine. Yeah, I don't fucking know. IRL stream. No, I'm gonna have a talk at GitHub Universe. Which will be cool. I'm just gonna be here. Literally just sitting in my chair. So it'll be fun. We'll see how it goes. I'm a little concerned. I'm very nervous about it. But Zillow says, could it have to do with compare the type of two objects and an object with type of class? I think it's there's a rule in PEP 8 which is like use isInstance instead of type. No. Should just use my chat command. Yeah. So it's saying do this, not this. Which, like, is interesting. It's like, I guess it makes sense. Well, if you were comparing two types identically to each other, I feel like that would be fine. God, I don't know. I think this rule is just bad. Simulcast on twitch.turkeyvulture. I don't think I can. I'm gonna try and record at the same time, but I don't think I can rebroadcast their stream. I think I waived rights on that. So, yeah. But I will be streaming after and or before. We'll see. Do you need to give the presentation here as practice? No, I'll be fine. I'm basically just presenting content that's also in a blog post, so it's not a big deal. But also, NoSQL Know-How. How are you doing? Good to see you again. What makes the most sense to me is 25 minutes with a 5-minute break. Huh. Yeah. The entire like the entire thing that they were trying to do with this was they wanted a live session with people that have live speaking experience, so streamers. And so that was their whole idea with this, was like get people that have interacted with a live audience so that they could do Q&A. Like, I know the whole point, the rest of the talks are all pre-recorded, but there's like 4 of them that are not pre-recorded to have Q&A. Well, I assume that they want actual time for Q&A, but I don't know. I'll ping my contact and figure out exactly how long it's supposed to be. The Gidiverse, yes, indeed, Skies FX. Also, I didn't say hi to you. Welcome back, Skies FX. Good to see you again. Anthony, now part of the anti-PEP 8 train. Well, I mean, this makes sense. Just like encoding this as a rule is pretty tricky, because there's you know, all sorts of things that could go wrong there. I don't know when this exception was added and why. It seems weird. Tim Sucks has followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Also, the fact that this is not the word commutative, transitive either. Feels like a bug here. I'm pretty sure if I stare closely at any of these rules, I'll find like 10 bugs. This is clearly a bug. So I think I'm just gonna skip that rule for now. Think about that one later. But I can do that one with AST, so I don't need to do shitty regex. Buggy shitty regex. Test for object identity should be is not. This one's easy. Let's do this one next. So it's like not foo is bar, but you should use foo is not bar instead. Yeah, that one's easy. As features. Is not test pi. I guess we can just do not is test. Not is test. Oh, I should copy something else. Grandpa's iPad has resubbed for 13 months in a row and 13 total. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. Skies Vex says, in a few months' time, I may be coming here more often. Ooh, nice. I'm going to join a new company freshly created by my two best friends, and I'll be looking after all their code and building their pipeline for VFX. Ooh, that sounds fun. I want to have all our code on GitHub, so we'll need to have to figure out how to sort our repos to make sure it's all clean. Yeah, that sounds great. And you could use pre-commit CI as well. Salad Wurzle, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Not X is Y. Settings. Put a new line at the end so we don't have to find another thing there. And Ailent, maybe. Yeah, maybe if Ailent is if Ailent lives by then. This was E714, I think. Yeah, something like that. Settings. Yes. Frequency I work with GitLab, not yet. I plan to implement it at some point, but GitLab's bot setup is pretty different from GitHub's, and so I'm gonna have to do a lot of research. Like I'll probably do like a 12-hour stream where it's literally just research GitLab for pre-commit CI. But I think it makes a lot of sense for me to implement it because a lot of companies use GitLab, and so it might be a way to get more customers. Oh, but I'm gonna have to implement my own payments platform too. I'll just set up Stripe, right? What could go wrong? Okay. Ailent plugins is not, or not is, not is. You have another simple plugin I can copy? ASCII? Yeah. So this will be visit. Oh, but we can use the not equals also, right? Aren't there two codes for this? Oh, there's three of them. There's not in, is not, and not equals, right? What? Why is that not a thing? This should use the not equals operator. This is literally the same rule, right? Is this just gone from the PEP? Always surround these binary operators. No, that's stupid. Yeah, they have this here. We're gonna also add a rule for not equals. Yeah, I don't know why they mentioned this, but not in and equals. Interesting. I'll be setting up some info for a company, but they use GitLab. Well, make it happen at some point. Non-open source drama, Facebook deactivated Niantic's login with Facebook for Ingress. Oh, that's funny. I would stay so far away from Stripe in your position. Yeah, well, I'm already using Stripe for my incorporation, so it's not all that different. I'm gonna call this not op. Actually, I wonder. Well, yeah, so I'm gonna find new bugs with this, I guess. Why would they do it like this? Oh, this is slightly more than that. So it would just have to be equals equals. Yeah, like weird shit like this. Anyway, I think it's a good rule, so I'm okay adding new lints as part of this. Not Do you use Stripe at work? No. Not at all. I don't work on the product, so writing code that isn't product is the best. Yeah, it's great. Features not op test. Okay, so if the unary op is not, and the inner is a compare, and it has one comparator, and the operand is, or in, or equals equals. Yes. Oh, that was the right directory, damn it. Useless ponies off to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Remind me I should keep track of the time. Went 2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, we got some more time. If is instance node.up ast.not, and it's gonna be a big ol' long thing, and is instance node.operand ast.compare, and len and operand.ops 0. It eek. It is. Oh, they're sorted already. Cool. Wait, why? Yeah, you only deal with internal people. And the only money that matters is kind of budget, fake budget money. You don't deal with external customers who tend to put pressure on you for stupid stuff that doesn't matter. Yeah, exactly. Skyzervex says, what do you think about black? Do you think it's good for matter? If not, why? Black is very close to being something that I would be happy with. I think it makes some choices that are not great. Like I don't know. There are a lot of times where I'm really frustrated with how black formats things. I think if it were less aggressive, I would be happier with it. But it's fine. I think it's a good formatter. I'd just prefer other stuff. The Animus, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ender, how you doing? Welcome back. Who ordered the sexy cut? Is that what we're calling this now? It's a little short. I mean, you all in chat seem way more excited about it than I do. She cut my hair and I was like, oh, it's that short. But if you all are happy with it, then fine. Fine with me. Oh, cool. We can add our own. Well, it's 715. What is this fucking weird ass curly quote bullshit? Okay, in should be E713. Is should be E714. And eek should be E715. And I wrote 714 again. And yes. I made a typo. Thank you. This file doesn't matter though, but thank you. Yeah, I made 2 typos there. No Sequel No House says, I for one am not excited about it. That's fair, that's fair, that's fair. Almost a toaster. Oh, I got the wrong curly quote. Again, this file doesn't matter. Curly quotes suck. But thank you, almost a toaster. That's such a good name. If only you were a toaster. Okay. Yield error codes type node dot brand dot ops 0. Yeah, seems cool. Oh. Okay. I did save. Like, wait. Oh no. Secret Godfather. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, No Single No House has got to run. Have fun. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's always good to see you. And welcome to the stream, Secret Godfather. How are you doing on this fine day? Well, I don't know. Today was kind of shit, to be honest. Have our 3. Hello. What? Oh. I didn't change it. Cool. That's done, and that's done. Is MyPie mad? MyPie might be mad about this line. Oh, MyPie was okay. Nice, nice, nice. Good, good. Just relax now. Perfect. Fixer Jake says I spent 4 hours debugging an Angular project that uses our in-house component library that is pure shit. Oh no. Color Marku, hello, hello. How you doing? I have some friends who want to move to San Mateo. Did you live anywhere where you think they should stay away from? So San Mateo is fairly nice. There are some like slightly rougher neighborhoods, particularly kind of near where I lived, which actually they weren't that bad. Kind of slightly north of town is not the nicest neighborhood, but San Mateo is in general is very, very nice. And like I felt safe everywhere, and I never locked my doors, and generally felt safe. Though towards the end of the pandemic, the crime rates were going up a lot. There were a lot of like car break-ins and like petty theft. Presumably because people got like slightly more desperate for money and stuff as like stimulus wore off. But I don't know, San Mateo's really nice. Tiazar, hello, welcome. Hi Anthony, what are you thinking about CS50 web programming? It's about Python. I don't know anything about CS50. Isn't that the like MIT course? Yeah, I don't really know much about it. Peter says, I have the same question about San Diego. I'm visiting there for a weekend. Do you know any sketch places? So the one, I've been to San Diego once. Harvard, okay. MIT, Harvard, same shit, right? I've been to San Diego a total of one time. Tyzar, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And let's see, I stayed in a hotel off the freeway, which was fine. San Diego felt fairly safe in like the places that I was. I went to see Blink-182 in some concert venue. I think in this San Diego State. An arena there? Yeah, Viejas Arena. I saw Blink-182 here. And the All American Rejects opened for them, which is why why I went all the way down to San Diego to see them, because two of my favorite bands right there. But around the arena was fairly safe. It's like on campus, so it was not bad. But I don't know much more beyond that. I've never lived there, so I don't have too much context. But it was fairly nice. Okay. Comparison to true should be if is true or if conned. This is easy. What about false? I assume this is true and false. What does the star mean? Disabled by default. Wait, really? Disabled by default? What? Why? Interesting. That one feels like it should be on. Also, I wonder if you do this, if it's grumpy. Because this is technically one line of def. Oh, it is okay with that. Interesting. Huh. Well. That one we need a token stream for. Statement ends with a semicolon. That'll be easy to implement at least. Alright, let's do these two. And then wrap it up after there. Sounds worth doing. Features compare singleton test. Test check compare equal none. X equals none. This should be E711 on that line. And then this. Okay, so we should have 2 failing tests now. Whoops. Of course, we forgot to import PyTest. I still want to be mugged, yeah. Are the Flagate error codes made up arbitrarily? Well, Flagate actually doesn't have any codes of its own. Except, I guess it makes codes for PyFlakes. Yeah, they're just made up. They don't really mean anything. Like the E and the W, they're not error and warning. they're just strings. Oxidon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Eland, plugins, compare singleton. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. This is gonna be annoying because you can have code that looks like you can have code that looks like this. Compound comparison. I always forget how they evaluate. Is the dick sword in the Twitch homepage intentional? It is, yes. Got him! God, it's such a funny little trick. Intentional typo to get engagement. Oxidon, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Appreciate your subscription. Kinbiko's here. How you doing, Kinbiko? We are working on my linter. Does it compare? I need this. Your face popped up on my LinkedIn feed yesterday. Oh, did GitHub finally post the thing that they said they were gonna post a few weeks ago? They told me I need to repost it, and I was like, it's not there. How am I supposed to repost a thing that's not there? Why, view all posts. See all posts. Why do I not see it? That was a week ago. Wait, what? They posted it 6 days ago. God damn it. I still don't see it. Am I looking in the wrong spot? Do I not? I don't know how to use LinkedIn, like, at all. So, it's probably just me being stupid. Did GitHub post it? I tried to repost. I reposted something else that they were talking about me, but yeah. The server says I'm back and you're working on the fancy new linter. It's true, it's true. We are working on the linter. Okay, so if I recall correctly, oh, we actually need to check both directions. I bet they don't. I bet PyCode style doesn't check both directions. Because who would write this? Oh, they do! Look at that. So let's see. If we have A equals true is something, this will end up being ops equals and is, and left equals A, and comparisons is going to be true and something. So I have to check if I see the if I see it in position 0, I need to look at left and 0. If I see it at position 1, I need to look at 0 and 1. So it's always the same, and if it's 0, it's left. And for op in node.ops is instance op ast.eq. Left equals. Oops, we need enumerate probably. Left, if I is 0, then left is equal to node.left. Otherwise, left equals node.comparisons. Comparisons I minus 1. Right equals node.comparisons I. Point, I guess. Hepta says Tesla stonks. Welcome back to Hepta. Good to see you. Are they stonks because of the Hertz announcement today? Did I make money on Tesla? No, I don't have Tesla stock. Comparators. I should probably work on the other screen. I know there's a typo there. I will fix it. What do you mean? Didn't we just show that it was comparators? Comparators. Okay. Spelling. Is it not cool to use ternary? So I prefer to avoid ternary just so I force myself to use code to make sure I'm testing both of the cases using code coverage. Because currently coverage doesn't handle ternary as two separate branches. It will in the future, I'm told, so I will maybe change that habit. But I also just like ternary is kind of hard to read. Okay. Constant. Then I feel like in 3.6 it's not constant. There's a select few that figured out that trick with coverage, meaning they never write a test for both branches. Yeah. I'm guilty of that too. I've done it in the past, for sure. All right. Fortunately, we can install future breakpoints. That's how not often I use 3.6. Okay. Name constant. Can I use name constant in 3.8? Looks like it. Okay. Yeah, that's ternary in Python. Yep. Why I run 3.6? Because this supports, well, I don't know if it's actually going to support 3.6, but if it's not too much work, I'm just going to support 3.6 for now. If his instance left ast.name constant. Or it'd be really nice to point at the actual operator, but the operator doesn't have position information. So we will just have to do this for now. If val dot value is none, $7.11. You know what? I bet that fits in one line, but I don't. And then this should be 7.2. And then we have to add more tests for the compound comparison stuff as well. And flip-flop didn't really TDD this all that well. Yeah. Oops. It's a Yoda comparison because it's backwards. Test, check, compare. This is nonsense, but should I make a less nonsense one? Hey, what's up, recursive chat? Level up. How about left equals node.left if I does not equal 0? No, I prefer else. What is my video about this that people hate me for? I think if I just put explains good actually. There we go. This one says ternary is good for JavaScript frontend, but it makes stuff harder to read. I think it makes it harder to read in JavaScript also. Fix Jake says just found a job at Facebook for software engineer routing and data path. Asked for 5 years experience at switching protocols in BGP. That's funny. Recursive chat, how you doing? Is there a tool to check if a function is unused in a code base without running the Python module it's in? I wrote a crappy version of that. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So you might want to check this out. It has a lot of false positives, and it talks about this, but I wrote in 15 minutes on an airplane, so yeah, there's another one called Vulture. Vulture uses the same strategy. Vulture's slightly less good, in my opinion, but I'm a little bit biased. just a little bit biased. But yeah, Vulture's also fine. Let's make this less nonsense. How do we make this less nonsense? This is always going to be nonsense. That's fine. Barking Bite, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What can't you do on an airplane in 15 minutes? Hey, what's up, Indie Monkey? Oh, Indie Monkey's going to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. I know you were here before. I'm a bit brain frazzled because it's been a long day. Because the question is, was the previous engineer fired or did they quit? Or maybe they just didn't have somebody that did that. KevQL, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Why is this not covered? Oh, because this is a syntax error. 537? Is that when it was added? Oh, that's fast. Nice. 50 to 54. Oh, pragma, no cover, pi 38 plus. Well, this is always true, so we're just currently not testing anything. That is a call. We'll probably fix that at some point. This is always true also. We'll add more tests for that later. I think I already said hi to KevQL, but Duo Tashira, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Vultureless Dead is one of the alternatives? No way. Why? Why? I mean, I appreciate oh, look, there's also works with pre-commit. Oh, cool. Interesting. Neat. Neat. Okay, that looks a little bit better, and this is just the main function that I will test at some other point. Cool. Oh no, I ran get add dot. Sick. Okay. Oh, I forgot to change the to-do. Forgot to mark those off as done. Yes. Read/heard they're removing the GIL from Python. There is a proposal. Unclear whether it'll actually land because it does break all C extensions, which is pretty bad. But it has potential. It'll be interesting to see if it works out. Okay, but I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. I'm gonna go get some sleep. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. Oh wait. Maybe we have one more thing to look at. We do have one more thing to look at. Dun, 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 dun. No way to set it via pre-commit config. There is the unsafe. You are looking for the unsafe option to. Whoops. I hit the alt tab thing. RIP Anthony. Wait, what? Let's check in PyCache. Wait, what? No, I've got to get ignore. We're good. Mikey says, what do we need C extensions for? Yeah. What is the GIL? It is the global interpreter lock. It means that only one piece of pure Python code can run concurrently. Which means, what it means is if you have multi-threaded code, only one thread can be running pure Python code at once, so the maximum utilization of pure Python code you can get is 100% currently. But if there wasn't a global interpreter lock and you could run multiple opcodes at the same time in different threads, you could, in theory, get a lot more parallel performance from threads rather than processes. Unless Creepy Way is saying that is good night. I see. Rest in peace for going to sleep. Yeah, I understand. Okay, cool. Anyway, let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. Oh, I just Googled you. It did have the right first thing, though. So I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week, and that is youtube.com/anthonywritescode. I also upload my previous streams to my second channel, the VODs channel, so subscribe to either of those if that interests you. I am also giving a talk at GitHub Universe later this week on Wednesday, and I'm posting that link in the chat right now if you want to check that out. And I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturdays at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I talk about what I'm going to do, and then we do it. I also announce them on the Discord, so come hang out with us on the Dicksword. Cool place to hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. There's a lot of smart people who can answer those as well. And there's a bunch of other social channels as well if you just want to hang out and chit chat. But thank you all for stopping by, and let us go find someone to raid.